Hello, I'm Ashley Seitz. I will be completing my field placement at a school district this year. I'll be splitting my time between both an elementary and a middle school level behavioral program. The students have been either referred there by a teacher or by an agency, and each of them have received an individualized educational plan. They are assigned to a classroom that have both BHPs and teachers, as well as some ed techs, and then they usually spend about 30 minutes per week with a social worker. As the students start to show improvement in those programs, they are given the opportunity to start to spend time back in matriculated with the general educational classrooms or their specials. What do I expect from field? I think I'm going to be really busy. This is a new behavioral program for this district. They really stand behind it. They're really passionate about it. They have a lot of work they want to get done. Also, I really want to do well for the program, so I expect to be a little bit anxious. Really want to make sure I'm helping and blending in with them. What am I most excited about? I'm a visual learner. I guess I'm more of a hands-on learner. I really enjoy our course material that we've had this far, but I think the experience actually being integrated into a school will really help to enhance all of my understanding of the material that we've learned so far. What am I most concerned about? I'm a little bit nervous about working with younger kids. I know that a lot of the kids have had really tough lives. Some of them experienced trauma. And I'm a little bit worried about how I'm going to deal with that emotionally. It can be sensitive, and so it's definitely going to be something I'm going to have to remain aware of as I'm working. And then, what is my plan for managing my excitement and concerns? During my interview, I met with some of the teachers, some of the social workers, and really the whole team has been super supportive. They're really receptive to questions. They've gotten back to me really quickly. So I think they're going to be really valuable resources for me about excitement, about worries. They seem to really be team players. All right, looking forward to working with everyone and hearing about your field experiences.